Hi guys, my name is Jillian and I am DIY Hair School. And today I am going to show you how to make your fine, flat, straight, thin hair look thick and full like this. The first thing we're going to do is use our flat iron to create a bunch of texture in the hair. And if you can't curl with the flat iron, don't worry, we're not going to curl. We are going to create some wavy texture and it is really easy. I'm going to section out my hair and just take the bottom first. And I am going to just take small sections, no wider than the plates of my flat iron. And I am just going to rock my flat iron down and up and down and up. And I'm going to do that on every section around my head. So once you're done adding all of those waves, you're gonna get dry texture spray. This one is by Sexy Hair. It's called Surfer Girl. It's an aerosolized powder. It's got hold like hairspray, but it's a powder like dry shampoo. You can also get texturizing powders in a shaker form. They're just a bit harder, I find, to get through the body of your hair. They're better for just your roots. So I do like the spray when I want to put it everywhere. So I'm going to apply this all the way from my roots down to my ends throughout my whole head. Lift up the section so that the hair gets to the underneath as well. If your hair is really thick, you might have to do this in several sections, but because I have thinner hair, I can get away with just kind of lifting the hair, and the spray is powerful enough to kind of get through there. So you can see the insane amount of volume and texture and shape that my hair now has that it definitely didn't have before. And this looks so much more amazing than my flat, boring, straight hair. So thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope that you try this out and make yourself look and feel amazing. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow along because I do tutorials every single week for your fine, thin hair. And check out my Instagram and my TikTok as well, because I do a ton of short form tutorials. And leave me comments letting me know what you want to see me do tutorials on, and I will do that for you guys. Bye, guys.